I'm going to be using my Fresh Tech sauce maker, and I got some peaches at the Amish country, so let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know. So I'm gonna try it out and you're coming along with me. Okay, the water's starting to boil. I'm gonna put the peaches in here and I'm gonna show you what I'm going to do with the peaches. I'm gonna boil it for 1 minute, then I'll be putting it in some cold water for a minute. Sorry you can't see me, but I'm trying to get everything in so you can see what I'm doing. Here are the peaches I'm going to be putting in the water. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting an X in. I've got to grab a knife and then we're going to stick these in the boiling water. Then I'm going to get my Fresh Tech sauce maker out and we're going to see what we can do. Okay folks, all I did was take the knife and went like this and went like this. Got some water on it because they're still a little wet. What I want to do is I want to get that stone out because that's not going to be able to go through my Fresh Tech. So hold on. Okay, what I'm doing here is I have the X. I'm just going in here before it goes in the boiling water and I'm taking the stone out just like that. The X is taking my fingers here, nice and juicy, and just see the stone in there? I'm just popping it out. Okay, here's the peaches in cold water. I'll be taking them out. I'll be putting them in this chute here, and this here is a plunger that you plunge it down, and it will be coming out here, and I'm gonna go get another bowl. I just wanted to show you this step. Okay, we're coming back with the final step. I have some peaches in here. I've got all the attachments in, sauce and peelings. I've never tried this. This is the first time. I don't know what's gonna happen. It could blow up in my face. So we got the on and off switch and we got reverse. So we're gonna go forward. Holy moly, here we go. Wow, I must say it is a very quiet machine. I can't see here to push it down. I know, I'll go like this, I'm sorry. There. You know what folks, this is working pretty slick. And it's so quiet.
Stick it in.
Yeah, I'm going to. I got Mr. R back here helping me because I had a little technical problem, but we got it now.
Slick.
Works good, doesn't it, Ray? I just didn't have the plunger going the right way.
Look at that. I like that.
You like that? That's going to be cool. You know how good this is going to be to make tomato stuff? Okay, this is going to be topping for ice cream. That's perfect. Ray, do you think you like this to put on some nice French vanilla ice cream?
Yeah.
We don't have any at this time, but we sure will be getting some. And I only got a few more.
You got one piece right on top. You can't see it.
Oh, I can't see it. Okay.
Right there. There you go. Yep.
Thank you.
See, you got it. Wow, I like that.
I'm sitting down to make things easier for my knee and back today, so excuse me for crouching down.
That's quick.
That is quick. Done. I am almost done.
Yeah, that is quick.
I don't understand where all the peelings went, but it's supposed to be right there. That is very quick, as you all can see how quick this is. And it's the first time using it, so I didn't know what to expect. You're seeing it for the first time. Wow. Yeah, couldn't see it. We have 2 more pieces, folks. And this was a quart of peaches. I don't know, was there 4, 6? I can't remember. There was a plate anyways I showed earlier in the steps. And And that's it right there.
You got some right on the way.
Where? Oh, right here.
One more.
One more?
Yeah, see it. Straight. Yeah. There it is.
There. Thank you, Ray.
Quick.
That is quick, isn't it? And all there is forward and then off and reverse. It looks like it's still got a little bit in here, so I'm gonna let it go. I'm just gonna shut it off like that. See how easy that was? And this is reverse. I don't know what's gonna happen when it goes in reverse.
Just to get it jammed up or something.
Oh yeah, that's if it jams up, you're right. Just takes a second to get it going. It's pushing what little there is out. Okay, here you have it right here. Topping for
Done.
ice cream. And you could even eat this right for your lunch if you wanted.
That's quick.
That is. What do you think? Do you think you'll like this for ice cream?
Yeah. Gee,
I think it's going to be good.
It's quick and easy.
It is.
Not much work.
And this is supposed to be the peelings, but it kind of ground the peelings up.
Looks kind of like a juice.
It does look like a juice. See, it kind of looks like a juice, but that's where the peelings come out. Really don't like to stick things in here unless it's unplugged. But I just want to pick this up and show you. And Ray, can you get ready to shut this off for me? But I just wanted to show you beautiful topping for ice cream.
Smells good too.
Oh, it does. It smells. Oh, I should be doing a review on this because it smells so good. Okay, folks, if you please give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my videos. And this is a fresh tech sauce maker. And let me just push things out of the way real quick. And all there is to it is a forward. Make sure you can see. Is a forward and off and a reverse. That's it. Fresh tech sauce maker. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. God bless. Bye now.